It's really nice when modern science and alternative medicine agree, and universally everyone agrees that pumpkin seeds are extraordinary for you. So I decided to make a simple, delicious, addictive, and healthy snack that is so easy to make, and it only uses 2 ingredients. Hey friends, my name is George Gianaris. I'm a chef of 37 years, and if you're here, it's because you like to eat healthy, save money, and cook like a pro. The reason why my friends gave me the nickname Warehouse Chef is because I continuously hounded them to eat healthy by making them more aware of the ingredients they use to cook with, and because I purchased a lot of my ingredients in bulk to save money from club warehouses and online. Today's no different. I purchased this bag of sprouted organic pumpkin seeds from Costco along with this jug of maple syrup, and these are the only 2 ingredients this outstanding snack contains. So why pumpkin seeds? I mean, you can make this snack with whatever nuts you want, and I'll give you some great alternatives later, but organic pumpkin seeds are amazing. First of all, they're delicious. They're high in protein, they're high in unsaturated fatty acids, vitamins, minerals, magnesium, which most people don't get enough of, and, well, zinc. And they're low in carbs. They reduce risk factors for chronic diseases, including cancer. They're rich in antioxidants, which protects our cells from inflammation and other diseases. And they can help improve the function of your liver, bladder, bowel, and joints. Here's the crazy part. Studies show that pumpkin seeds can stop the growth of breast cancer and prostate cancer cells. They also induce cancer cell death. But wait, there's more. Because of their high magnesium content, they help lower and regulate blood pressure and lower the risk of stroke and death from heart disease. They increase nitrous oxide levels in your blood, which helps to keep blood vessels smooth and improves blood flow. And here's the kicker. They contain tryptophan, so a small handful of these at night promotes a better night's rest, and the bump in magnesium helps to reduce stress and anxiety. The high zinc also helps the immune system fight bacteria and viruses, so why would you not want to eat them? Well, one reason, and we'll talk about that later, but right now, let's make this thing. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees or 180 degrees Celsius. Just remember this simple ratio: 6 part nuts to 1 part maple syrup. Mix the pumpkin seeds and maple syrup well, very well, in a bowl. Make sure there's an even coat of maple syrup on all of the pumpkin seeds. Super important. Scoop the mix into a silicone mold, or not. You can spoon some onto parchment paper. I just like to get fancy. Bake it in the oven for around 20 minutes. I turn my trays every 5 minutes or so they don't get dark in one area. Then you set them on a counter to completely cool them, and there you have it. So these didn't take that long to cool. These took about 20 minutes on the counter, maybe a half an hour. And like I said earlier, you can make these with any nuts you want. Just keep the weight ratio the same, 6-to-1 nuts to maple syrup. And if you add unsalted nuts, you may want to put in a little bit of salt or not, your choice. I like a 50-50 mix of coarsely chopped macadamia nuts and pumpkin seeds, or raw cashews and pumpkin seeds, or a third, and a third of all 3. Pecans, cashews, and almonds also work equal parts. What's really good is straight up pistachios by themselves. So yummy, like these. These are really not that sweet. Just a little hint of maple syrup to hold it together. Give it just a hint of sweetness. They're very, very good. There's just one thing you have to watch out for. They pack a lot of calories. And if you suffer from a condition that I have, soy famo, these can easily help you put on the weight. I would love it if you left a comment down below and let me know how yours turn out or what nut mix you chose. And please, if you like this video, hit that like button so the YouTube gods will know, and then they'll send me into stardom or some crap like that. Cheers.